In this video, I want to show you how to set up your JBL soundbar with your TV using an HDMI cable. So let's get started right away. First step is to go on the back of the JBL soundbar. On the back of your soundbar, you may have more than one HDMI port. This model over here has two, HDMI in and also HDMI out TV ARC. This is the one that you need to use. HDMI out, the one that says TV ARC, or maybe yours doesn't say TV ARC. If you only have one HDMI port, well, just connect the cable in that one. So I'll plug one side of this over there and the other one, well, we need to go on the back of the TV. This over here is an LG TV. Maybe yours is different. The HDMI ports are on the back on this side. I have two of them. Maybe your TV has four or even five. What you need to do is to look out for the HDMI ports that says EARC or ARC. In my case, it's HDMI number 2, but maybe on your TV it's the number 1 or the number 4. So go ahead and connect the cable in that specific HDMI. Now turn on your soundbar and turn on your TV. You will need to put the soundbar into HDMI mode. So if you go on the top, you see these buttons? This is the source selector button. By pressing on it, you'll be able to see HDMI at a point. You have Bluetooth and other ones. Well, you should see HDMI. Next, on the TV, it didn't turn on. Let me turn on now. You're going to press the settings button. Depending on the TV brand you have, it may be slightly different, but on this one, I need to go over here where it says sound out, select it, and make sure that HDMI ARC is the one selected. You'll have many options. By selecting HDMI ARC, you're making sure that the sound goes out of the HDMI directly in your soundbar. And since you have connected in the ARC port, what does it mean is that, you see, this is my LG TV remote control. Every time I turn off the TV, it also turns off the soundbar. I don't have to use the remote control of the soundbar anymore, and I don't have to touch these buttons anymore. I can control the on-off setting of the soundbar simply by using the TV remote control. Same thing for the volume. If this is the TV remote control again, if I press volume up, you see it goes up on the soundbar. The TV controls the soundbar. Now, there's also a few different options you may want to change in case you don't get any sound. Let me just go back into the settings of this LG TV. So by going into the advanced settings, all settings, sound, advanced settings, you may have a few different options that you can change, including select HDMI input, audio format. Over here, you see you have HDMI 1, PCM. Well, if it doesn't work, try Bitstream, or sometimes you also have Dolby or other options in case you don't get any sound. If you get sound, just don't touch anything. Just start using your soundbar and everything should be good. So this is about it. I hope it was useful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.